In last lecture, you have to see the different types of adaptations in flowers. The pollination is occur by different agencies, biotic agencies, and in these flowers, the different adaptations are developed. The next point in this topic, that is outbreeding devices. Outbreeding devices, or it is also called the contrivances. The outbreeding devices is developed, that is adaptations and modifications shown by the flowers to avoid the cross pollination, to achieve the cross pollination and avoid self pollination. फ्लावर मध्ये सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन टाळण्यासाठी, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन घडवून आणण्यासाठी काही बॅरियर्स डेव्हलप झालेले असतात. दीज बॅरियर्स आर कॉल्ड द आउटब्रीडिंग डिव्हाइसेस. द आउटब्रीडिंग डिव्हाइसेस likewise the unisexuality, dichogamy, prepotency, heterostyly, hercogamy and self-sterility. These are the different outbreeding devices, that is outbreeding devices developed in the plants. For example, first, unisexuality. Unisexuality, the plants bear either male or female flower. This condition is called the dioecious plants. That is, unisexual plants are either male plant or female plant, and it is called dioecious plants. Dioecious plant, both, that is male plant and female plant are separate. When both the male gamete and female gamete producing organs are developed on the same plant are called monoecious plants. But when the male plant and female plants are separate, then the plant is called dioecious plant, and the condition is called dioecious or dioeciism. Dioeciism, that is unisexuality. Here there is self pollination is not possible because the only one flower is developed on the plants. Such condition is called the unisexuality. Then another, dichogamy. Dichogamy, that is di means two. In many plants, self pollination is avoided as stamens and carpels mature at different time. वेगवेगळ्या वेळेला androecium and gynoecium, that is stamen and carpel, mature at different times. This condition is called dichogamy. That is, maturation period is different, not simultaneously, and it can be further divided into two, that is protandry and protogyny. When the androecium mature first, then it is called protandry. For example, in disc floret of sunflower, the androecium mature first, then gynoecium. Protogyny, that is gynoecium mature first, then androecium. The condition is called protogyny. For example, gloriosa or michelia. In this flower, the gynoecium mature first, and that is why the self pollination is avoided and क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन इज अचीव्ड. म्हणून इथं या प्रकारच्या फ्लावरमध्ये काय होतं, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होतं, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन घडून येतं. देन प्रीपोटेन्सी, थर्ड टाइप, that is prepotency. The pollen grains of other flowers germinate rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grains from the same flower. For example, in apple, pollen grains of the other flower of other plant germinates rapidly on the stigma of other flower, stigma of the flower of another plant. Then the same flower. Okay, काय होतं, the pollen grains of other flower of other plant germinates rapidly on the another flower of another plant, but there is no germination of pollen grains of same pollen grain on the same stigma. For example, in apple, ही कंडिशन आपल्याला ॲपलमध्ये बघायला मिळते. प्रीपोटेन्सी, प्रिव्हियस, अगोदर, पोटेन्सी, पोलन ग्रेन जर्मिनेशन. देन हिट्रोस्टायली, that is the heterostiley or heteromorphy. It is found in the plants like primrose. The plants of primrose, they shows the like this condition. The style of the length of the style of the carpel is in one flower is short. This is stigma, and this is stamen in one flower. In another flower, that is length of the style is greater than the length of the filament of the stamen. Stigma. This condition is called heterostyle. अशा कंडिशनला हेट्रोस्टायली असं म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन प्राइमरोज, दॅट इज प्राइमुला, the length of the style is different in different flower, that is, and position of stamen is also different. Here in one flower the stigma length of the style is shorter and the arrangement of stamens are higher level. In another flower the height, that is length of the carpel, that is style, is elongated. This is style. Style is greater than the length of the stamen. Here stamens are present at lower position, and because of this the self pollination is avoided. Because of this the self pollination is avoided and cross pollination is achieved. This condition is called the heterostyle or heteromorphy. It is found in primula, that is primrose. Then hercogamy is another contrivances found in the plants. Hercogamy, it is mechanical device to prevent the self pollination. Mechanical device to prevent self pollination. या ठिकाणी सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन अवॉइड करण्यासाठी अशा प्रकारचं डिव्हाइस, मेकॅनिकल डिव्हाइस हे प्लांट्समध्ये डेव्हलप झालेलं असतं. हियर in bisexual flower the plants natural physical barrier is present. For example in Calotropis, hercogamy, here the sex organs between the sex organ, that is stigma and anther, that is level of the stigma and anther is different, hence a mechanical device is developed, and that is why the self pollination is avoided and cross pollination is achieved. अशा प्रकारचं पॉलिनेशन हे आपल्याला कॅलोट्रॉपिस मध्ये बघायला मिळतं. हेन्स इट इज कॉल्ड द hercogamy. Then another mechanical, that is contrivances, self sterility. Self sterility, that is germination of pollen grain on the same stigma of the flower is not achieved. Here this is the genetic mechanism due to which this is genetic mechanism due to which germination of pollen grain on the stigma of the same flower germinating of pollen grain of the same stigma of same flower is not achieved. Hence the process, or it is inhibited, not achieved. It is inhibited and such condition is called self sterility. अशा प्रकारच्या कंडिशनला सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी असं म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टोबॅको और ऑर्किड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टोबॅको, थिया, orchid, etc. In these plants the self sterility is found. Okay, these are the different contrivances developed in the flower to achieve the cross pollination and avoid the self pollination. Pollen pistil interaction. Pollen pistil interaction. Pollen pistil interaction. Here, entire events from the deposition of pollen grain to on the stigma up to the entry of pollen tube in the ovule. This entire, that is stigma up to the entry of pollen tube in the ovule, are referred as pollen pistil interaction. Pollen pistil interaction, that is deposition of the pollen grain on the stigma and the germinates and entry of pollen tube in the ovule, up to this process is called pollen pistil interaction. The pollination does not guarantee the transfer of right type of pollen grain pollination does not guarantee to right type of pollen grain transfer on the right type of stigma, where the pollen grain, right type of pollen grain on the stigma, the wrong pollen grain is when pollinate, wrong pollen grain is land on the stigma, then stigma does not accept, pistil has ability, stigma, then the stigma has ability to recognize the right type of pollen grain, accept the right type of pollen grain, or compatible pollen grain. Compatible pollen grain is compatible pollen grain of the same species pollen grain of the same species this is the, and when wrong type of pollen is discarded by pistil, here the compatible pollen grain is recognized, and when the wrong type of pollen grain deposited, wrong type of pollen grain deposited on the stigma, it will be reject. It will be reject, that is reject, the pistil will be reject. It will be, that is pistil will be reject the pollen grain, reject the pollen grain, and hence the pollination does not occur. This type of ability is found, that is the pollen grain is compatible or incompatible. Such type of ability is present in the फुलामध्ये, पिस्टिलमध्ये अशा प्रकारची ॲबिलिटी असते. दे ॲक्सेप्ट द राईट टाईप ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन ओनली अँड रिजेक्ट द incompatible or wrong type of pollen grain, and there is no germination of the wrong type of pollen grain. The stigma of the flower reject the wrong type of incompatible pollen grain. The physiological mechanism operate that only interspecific pollen grain. अशा प्रकारची इंटरॅक्शन पोलन, पिस्टिल आणि पोलन यांच्यामध्ये होते. हेन्स द रिजेक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, व्हेन द right type pollen grain is deposited, then this pollen grain germinates and produce the pollen tube. See this, when the right type of pollen grain land on the stigma, then it will germinate and produce pollen tube, and reaches the ovule, and that is reaches the embryo sac, and then ovule and fertilization is occur, आणि फर्टिलायझेशन हे घडून येतं. अशा प्रकारची ॲबिलिटी पिस्टिलमध्ये असते आणि यालाच पोलन पिस्टिल इंटरॅक्शन असं म्हणतात. दॅट इज पोलन पिस्टिल इंटरॅक्शन germinate up to pollination to fertilization, and this process is the pollen pistil interaction. Okay. Then next point, that is double fertilization. Double fertilization. Double fertilization. Here the fertilization takes place at two different places. Both the male gametes, that is male gamete and female gamete, both the male gametes are take part during fertilization. Hence the process is called double fertilization. The process of fusion of male gamete with female gamete, it is called fertilization. Fertilization. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. Is called fertilization. Then double fertilization. Double fertilization. During the process, that is, double fertilization is defined as the fertilization in which the fertilization in which both the male gametes are take parts or utilize the process is called double fertilization. अशा प्रोसेसला या प्रोसेसला डबल फर्टिलायझेशन असं म्हणतात. ओके. Here after double fertilization, that is egg get convert into zygote and secondary nucleus converts into endosperm, that is PEN, primary endospermic nucleus, that is it is called the PEN, primary endospermic nucleus. Here after pollination it germinates and forms the pollen tube. It shows the diagrammatically. First of all, pollen grains. The pollen grain is germinates, produce the pollen tube. Entry of pollen tube. This is the synergids. Stigma, style, then embryo sac, antipodal cells, egg, synergid cells, pollen tube. Process of double fertilization. Process of double fertilization. The diagram shows the process of double fertilization. Okay, remaining process of double fertilization, see the next lecture. Okay.